Hi friends, welcome to IMIND.Excel training. Let us see what is our this week's Excel weekly challenge. So you and me are running one business in which, because of the business requirements, we have to send our employees to different locations in the country. Now many times the employees come back and they complain that in addition to the rate at which you are paying us for the number of hours which we have put in, we also incur some additional expenses like travel, conveyance, parking, etc. So we have decided that in addition to the rate and number of hours, basis the city in which they are present, we are going to give them an additional stipend amount. So you are supposed to calculate their final salary, which would be rate multiplied by hours worked plus the stipend, and then make a pivot table which should give us an idea about which employee should be given what amount. So go ahead and pause the video and try to find a solution. Then you can come back and I will show you how you can resolve this issue. Well, now that you are back, let me show you how you can solve this issue. So first let us make some space. So I'll insert one column by pressing Ctrl plus, and over here I will give the heading like pay. Then I will construct a formula over here equal to rate multiplied by hours work, and I will hit enter, and then I'll just copy the formula down. Now I have to calculate the stipend which they should get. So I will type stipend amount, and this stipend will be basis the location in which they are present and using this table. So we'll use the VLOOKUP function. So equal to VLOOKUP, lookup for this value, comma, where to look up in this table, comma, to pick up the value from second column, and you want the exact match, so 0. Close parenthesis and hit enter. So for Delhi it is 550. Now we just drag the formula down. Now we'll calculate the final pay, which would be pay plus stipend. So here we'll give the formula equal to pay plus stipend and hit enter, and we'll just drag the formula down. Now we'll just copy this formatting to all these three columns, and now let us calculate the final amount to be paid to each employee, and this will do it using a pivot table. So we'll select insert pivot table, and we'll say create it into a new worksheet. So say it's saying data reference is not valid, and the reason being that our cursor was not within the data. So first click anywhere inside the data, then click on insert, then select pivot table, then select new worksheet, then click on OK. Now what do you want on the rows? So on each row I want a employee name, and what do you want in the values? The final pay. So here we have got the final pay to be given to each employee. I have to just select this, click on home, and format this into currency, and we are done. So friends, we have resolved both the issues. We have calculated the final pay, and we have also found out how much is the final amount to be given to each employee, and that too using the pivot table. So hope you have learned something new in this week's weekly challenge. We'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.